So I got some PVC glue and Tanya's hairdryer and a knife and...
How not to sail. Screwing up is part of cruising. Let me show you how. Yar.
So what do you think of the new do? I just couldn't stand the beard anymore in these conditions of limited showers during the isolation. Today we have a special double episode, how not to fix a dinghy leak and how not to crack your rudder. Or wait, how to fix a dinghy leak and how to crack your rudder. Anyway, first we had to fix this dinghy leak. The floor was separated from the side tube of the dinghy, letting water get into the floor, which is kind of a bummer. So, first we had to hoist it out of the water onto the deck. And you can see where the floor is separated from the side here. So I got some PVC glue and Tanya's hairdryer and a knife and started to carefully apply the PVC glue. Then we decided to come down here to Whitney Beach, which is at Longboat Key, on the ocean side, to launch the dinghy and test it out. Unfortunately, the water is really skinny here, and coming in, we grounded hard and cracked the rudder. Anyway, we launched the dinghy, took Tanya ashore, rowed back to JC Sails, rowed back to get Tanya and back to JC Sails, and everything seems to work as far as the dinghy. Now, though, I have to remove the rudder and fix the cracked rudder before it gets waterlogged. And that's today's lesson in how not to sail.
How not to sail. Screwing up is part of cruising. Let me show you how.